Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So in today's video I will be showing you guys this very cool bracelet here. This is a variation of the Triskellion bracelet by the Loom Life. This is a variation of it which was introduced by Sleepless Loomer on Instagram. So she combined the Triskellion bracelet here with the merlion border, which was designed by rainbowloom SG. So yeah, and it looks very cool, as you can see. I'm going to put all the designers' Instagram account on my description box below, so make sure to check them out. And yeah, let's get started. To make this very cool bracelet, you will need a hook. I'm going to be using this regular metal hook from the rainbow loom. And then you also need a C-clip and some pins. And for the color scheme, I'm going to be using the same one with this here. So 2 colors for the Triskellion and 1 color for the merlion border. So yeah, we're going to begin now. Grab your border color, or it's going to be the black here. I'm going to be using this opaque gray. Make a cap it on your hook, like so. And then grab your first Triskellion color. It's going to be either the ocean blue or the sweet baby blue here. I'm grabbing my first Triskellion color, which is this sweet pink here. I'm going to pull it through the cap pin and close. Okay, this is what you should have on your hook now. Then grab your second color of your Triskellion, which I'm using this pearl pink here. So we're gonna make the Triskellion bracelet first, and then we're gonna work on the merlion border later, after we're done with the Triskellion here. Okay, I'm grabbing my second color and I'm going to pull it through the first loop and simply just close it. Okay, now what you want to do is drop this second loop over the first loop and over the hook. Okay, like this. Okay, this is what you should have on your hook now. And after this, you need to flip your bands, so the pearl pink should be the right side now. Or if you're using a double-ended hook, you can just push it down to the other end. So we can work on this side now. So what you want to do is grab your color, which is the right color here. So as you can see, I'm grabbing my pearl pink instead of my sweet pink here. Want to pull it through through both loops and pick up this left loop, or the second loop, and then close. And what you want to do is rearrange this to the outside, and then you want to drop this second loop, which is this pearl pink, then drop it over the hook, like so. And then what you want to do is you want to flip it. And there's actually a tutorial for the Triskellion bracelet by Chase Alvarez on YouTube. You guys can also check his tutorial in case you guys want to know more about the Triskellion. Again, I'm just going to show you guys this bracelet here, so I'm not going deep with the Triskellion. Grabbing my right color here, as you can see. pull it through both loops and then pick up the second loop, rearrange it to the outside, and then drop this like so. Again, flip it so we can work on the other side. Grabbing my pearl pink, pull it through both loops, picking up the left loop or the second loop, rearrange, and then dropping this second loop over. And then again, flipping it, I'm grabbing my sweet pink. Remember, you need to grabbing the color which is on the right side now. Pull it through both loops, picking up the second loop, rearrange, and drop this second loop over like so. This is the Triskellion bracelet, by the way. Flipping it, I'm grabbing my pearl pink, pull it through both loops, picking up the left one, rearrange, and then dropping the second loop. Again, flip it, grabbing my sweet pink, pull it through both loops, picking up the second loop, and then rearrange, drop the second loop over like so. And then that's basically all you need to do for the Triskellion. Okay, so I'm going to continue what I'm doing here. If you guys want to do yours, you guys can pause the video or speed it. I'm going to do mine. Okay, so I'm just going to make mine this long for now. Okay, then you want to grab your C-clip to secure this end here so we can do the merlion border. Okay, I have secured my Triskellion. Then we're going to working on the merlion border now. So what you need to do is hold your Triskellion bracelet like this, and we're going to work on loop or bands that are kind of sticking out. Just make sure that this is what is facing towards you now, not this side. Okay, this. Then you wanna grab your hook, and then you wanna put your hook inside the bands that are kind of sticking out. As you can see, it's sticking out. These basically all the sweet pink color. Okay, after you put your hook inside the sweet pink here, you want to grab your border color and you want to make a knot. So pull your border color through this loop and then close. Then you want to drop this second loop over like so. Okay, and then you wanna put your hook inside the next sweet pink. Just make sure that your Triskellion is not twisting like this. Okay, put your hook again inside the next sweet pink. You should have 2 loops on your hook now. Then grab your border and pull it through both loops and simply just close. And then we want to make a knot again So drop the second loop over the hook like so. Again, you guys can pull this a bit so the border could be secure, and then putting a hook inside the next sweet pink, and then grab your border, pull it through both loops, close, and then make a knot, and then pull. As you can see, it's already forming. Again, put your hook inside the next one, grab your border, pull it through both loops, and close, and then make a knot, and then pull. Again, put your hook inside the next pink, grab your border, and pull it through both loops, and close, and make a knot. Okay, after you reach the very end, it's like mine here, and after you reach the end, you wanna take out this loop here out of the C-clip, and then you want to loop this border to these Triskellion here. Then I'm putting it back like so. And now we're going to work on this side now. So as you can see, we are looping the border with this sweet pink here, so now, which means we are going to loop the border with this opposite color on this side. So you guys can flip your bracelet, and then again going inside the loop that are kind of sticking out, grab your border, pull it through the loop, and then make a knot by dropping the second loop over. Next, going inside the next burr pink. Then you should have this now, and then you can grab your border, pull it through both loops, and close, and then make a knot. Then don't forget to pull it. Again, going inside, grab your border, pull it through both loops, and then make a knot. Okay, then going inside again, grab your border, pull it through both loops, and close, and make a knot. Again, last one, going inside, grab your border, pull it through both loops, and close, and make a knot. Okay, after you reach the very end, you wanna take this loop of the C-clip and then loop your border and put it back to your C-clip. And yeah, that's it. There you have your Triskellion with the merlion border. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm really sorry if I'm not explaining it clearly. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.